In this video, we are going to talk about the effect the metaverse will have on you and your practice. But first, a quick background on the metaverse. In October 2018, Facebook, the parent company, changed its name to Meta. According to Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg, the rebrand symbolizes a shift in focus for the company. Whereas before they had always been Facebook first, the company will now reorient itself towards its new metaverse. The social media platform that you're familiar with will still be called Facebook and won't be affected by the rebranding. This is similar to what Google did in 2015 when it established its parent company, Alphabet. So what is the metaverse? Facebook describes the metaverse as a set of virtual spaces where you can create and explore with other people who aren't in the same physical space as you. Basically, it's an immersive 360-degree digital world. You will be able to socialize, work, and play as avatars. You can walk through parks, meet friends at a coffee shop, hold meetings in boardrooms, dance in nightclubs, attend concerts with friends, and more. If you've ever seen the 2018 Steven Spielberg movie, Ready Player One, that might be the best visual example we currently have of what the metaverse could look like. So let's get into how the metaverse affects your law firm. Today, there isn't much you need to worry about. Facebook will still operate as normal and is still one of the best ways to reach thousands of highly targeted potential clients in your local area. Looking down the road, as more and more people open up to the idea of virtual reality, the metaverse can provide you a new way to reach potential clients. Think about it in terms of hosting live workshops and webinars. You could bring real-world presentations to virtual headsets anywhere. It removes the geographic boundaries that limit the way we currently do things. So you could give a presentation to people across your entire state or even across the country, depending on where you're licensed. Just imagine everyone's avatar sitting in a virtual meeting room, all tuned into your elder law or estate planning presentation from the comfort of their home. And instead of just watching a webinar on a screen at home with so many distractions and other things going on, they'll have their headsets on, joining in a digital classroom where you're presenting at the front of the room. Let's look at advertising in the metaverse. So, the way that Facebook does now, the metaverse is still gonna make the vast majority of its money on ads. So early advertising in the metaverse, it'll be mostly made up of virtual reality billboards, like the ones you see on the side of the road when you're driving. They're easy to design and insert into the existing space. The great thing is, Facebook won't be abandoning its advertising algorithm. So in the metaverse, you'll still have the same advanced marketing abilities to target specific individuals within your set demographic, allowing you to spend your ad dollars wisely. Here's how we see the metaverse fitting into your law firm's marketing plan. Again, this is down the road, maybe 5 years, maybe less, but eventually advertising in the metaverse should and probably will be another tool in your tool belt. Just like you have a social media presence, Facebook ads, Google business profile, YouTube videos, a high converting website, you should be doing all of these things already. And eventually, you might want to run ads in the metaverse to reach new potential clients. People could be virtually walking down the street and get a pop-up notification to join your Estate Planning 101 webinar. Another cool feature of the metaverse is it can be used as a new way of storytelling. So apart from traditional ads like the ones that currently pop up in your newsfeed, you can have immersive ad experiences. Warner Brothers recently put together a virtual rendition of the Washington Heights neighborhood as a part of their promotion for their new movie, In the Heights. So how could you use something similar to market your practice? In the metaverse, you could create an immersive experience showing two scenarios. Maybe a happy family that is honoring their loved one after they passed because they had the proper planning done. And a second scenario is a family fighting and never speaking again because the deceased left them with an estate planning mess. Really, the possibilities are endless. At the end of the day, the world is changing, it's evolving, and the next big thing is the virtual reality space. That being said, today, don't plan for any massive overhauls in your marketing. Keep an eye on things, see what other people are doing, and of course here at Bambiz, you can count on us to keep you informed on the latest Facebook, Metaverse, and any other marketing trends. So be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date. Thanks for watching.